Hey, what's up, guys? I'm back at the same lake that I was at the other day. I lost a lot of fish that day. I'm gonna see if I can pull them in tonight. It's 6:26 p.m. I got here kind of late because I didn't have the truck. Someone else is using it. But yep, I'm gonna be back on the kayak again, on my cousin's kayak. So thank you to him for letting me use it. But it should be a good day, I think. I think it's gonna be a really good day. We will see. I'll catch you on the water. Oh, he missed it. Got it. He's got it. Oh, how did he snap off my line? Again. These pike must have some really sharp teeth. Holy cow. That's it. Lost him. Wow, that was quick. I saw him coming after it. Alright, last cast with the top water. If I don't get anything, then I'm switching. Got one. Oh yeah, I got him. Oh my god, yes. Oh, it's nice. Largy. It's largemouth. Oh yeah. Not bad. Oh wow. It's a decent one, actually. Not bad at all. It's a gorgeous fish. Wow. At least 17 inches. At least. See, I get a picture of him real quick, then I'm gonna let him go. That was a gorgeous fish. If there's one, there's gotta be more. Hopefully there's more. He was just sitting right under those little brushes right there. Under that tree, I mean. Cool, cool, cool. Not a bad catch. Using a black and blue Senko, by the way. Black and blue is my favorite color. Works in every water condition. Every water condition. That's why I use it. I don't mess with like black, white, watermelon, none of that. Always use blue, black and blue. Got one. Oh, he came off. He came off. He came off. Let's get back at him. Let's get back at him. They're here. They're here. Oh, got him right here. Oh yeah. Another bass. Not bad. It's a tiny little one. Oh my god, let me grip you, buddy. I'm gonna let you go. Let me grip you. There you go. Not bad at all. Let's Probably one of these guys hitting it. That one actually took it. Sweet. Oh, missed it. Holy cow. Hopefully my camera caught that. That was crazy. That was really cool. Holy cow, that was crazy. I think that's a bluegill. Nope, never mind. It's actually a bass. Wow. Thought it was a bluegill the whole time. Quit moving, I'll let you go. Jesus. Nice little bass. Bring your mommy here. I want to catch your mom. Woo. Got him. Right here. There you go. Man, why are all these so small? Whatever, I'm catching fish. That's all that matters. Catching fish and having fun. That's what fishing's all about, baby. That boat does not sound healthy. Alright guys, I'm gonna put on a fluke real quick. If I don't catch anything, then I'm just gonna go home. So, yep, it's the last bait that I'm gonna use right here. What am I doing? Lost him. He's got it. Oh, I lost him. Dang. Hopefully he comes back. Got him. Oh yeah, I got him. Tiny little pike. Wow. Could honestly throw him in a little fish tank. Cutie. Let him go. Man, I just want to stay here and fish. I got work in the morning. It's getting dark. Hungry. See if I can get him. Oh, he missed it. Come back for it. Come on. How the heck did I miss it? Come back. Come on. Hit it. Oh. Oh, that's a big wake. Holy cow, that is a big wake. Holy cow. That was a huge wake. Oh my god. Oh my lord. That was a huge wake. Oh, I want to catch that fish. Oh, he's got... Oh! Back for it. Oh my god! Holy cow! Oh my god. That was huge. Holy cow, that was big. Holy cow, that was huge. I do not know what that was, but that was huge. Alright guys, last cast for me. And I gotta head out because it's getting too dark. And I got work in the morning and I have to eat dinner yet. But anyways, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that like button. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well, so that you can watch my future videos. But yeah, that's about it for today, guys. See you next time. Peace.